Hi friends, welcome back. This is Samsung 970 EVO Plus NVMe M.2 SSD upgrade to my PC. This is a demo video using Samsung Magician software and data migration wizard, how this can be done. Let's see that. So this Samsung 970 EVO Plus is of 2 TB size. It's made in Thailand. Its speed is 3500 Mbps. It's very good speed and can be used well as a data drive or the boot drive, and it's good for video editing as well, and gaming performance also is quite good. It has got good packaging. That's the drive. This is the manual. It comes in several languages, which includes English. And this is the Samsung Magician software leaflet. It can be downloaded easily with the link provided. And when I have downloaded that, I have also cloned my existing boot drive, and for cloning I used this external Mokin SSD adapter, placing the new SSD in this initially for cloning. Once it is connected to PC, it can be used for cloning using Samsung Magician software and data migration softwares, which can be downloaded freely from internet on Samsung website. Here is the software window showing how much space is used for boot drive. Cloning is complete. Now I'll be placing this in the desktop. Thank you.